Amazing. I arrived just in time to hang out with actual veterans of the Long Tân battle. They were stationed 500 meters away, but they had to come through the very next day and clean up the devastation. One gentleman, his name is Weeks, 76 years old. His first visit back to Vietnam in 54 years, he told me when he arrived in Saigon. Had he had known, if he had known, a flight was leaving the very next hour, he would have left immediately. So he's going through a lot, and I'm so proud of him for making a return to Vietnam after all these years. But meeting those veterans, those Australian counterparts, that really made my day and made the long 4-hour road trip worth it to the Long Tân battlefield. So I just saw this hill, and I'm going to go just climb it. I don't know, trek around, enjoy the views of the Vietnam countryside. Hope you enjoy it.